Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. Start by opening tab menu. Now click on auto rotate icon. Auto rotation is now turned on. You can turn it off by tapping at the same icon, but you can also go into settings, choose display, click on advanced, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen to enable or disable it. If you wish to check out if it works, go into any app, like photos, and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!